Colombia is a monster. All right. Colombia will eat you up, chew you, and spit you out. So look, let's recap Colombia while still on the soil of Colombia. Oh man. Let's see. First, let's just say I believe everyone should visit Colombia. It's beautiful, it's vibrant, it's colorful, the food is great, the people are friendly. It's a beautiful time. One preconceived notion that I would like to just get rid of: women do travel to Colombia and they have an amazing time while they're here, just like everyone else. On our way here, we saw groups of women boarding the plane toward Colombia. While in Colombia, we saw groups of women touring Colombia, partying in Colombia, walking the streets of Colombia, having a good time. If you have Colombia on your bucket list, this is your calling card. Book that trip, go. If you're worried about being safe, stay at a place like this, the InterContinental in Cartagena, or come with your group of friends, get you an Airbnb in the walled city, and have an amazing time living a vibrant nightlife every single day. If you want to be a little secluded, if you want to have some time to relax, if you want to be peaceful, go to the southern part of Cartagena near where all of the skyscrapers are, which is where I'm at right now at the InterContinental. So stay at a place like this. You can relax, you can go out, you can see the city, you can come back in. You don't have to be bothered with the sounds of Colombia 24/7. But if you like that type of lifestyle, if you want to be turned at 5 a.m., 7 a.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m., 24/7, stay within the walled city, get you an Airbnb, and the sounds of Colombia will keep you up 24/7. That's just what it is. It's an amazing time. That's where it's at. Like, life is cracking out there. Colombia is a monster. All right. Colombia will eat you up, chew you, and spit you out. So you have to be ready. You have to be ready for the vendors on the sidewalks. You have to be ready for the beautiful, amazing ladies with the fruit baskets on top of their head. You definitely have to be ready for, as a man, the Colombian women who are trying to share services. Like, it's crazy. You have to literally say no gracias while walking up and down the street, because they are hustlers. All right, they are hustling here about 24/7. From the time you wake up and walk into the streets until the time you go to bed, someone will be trying to sell you something. So be ready to say no, be ready to hold firm. Now, if you're coming out here and you know you want your souvenirs and you want your services, well, it's there. It's in your face, boy. It's here. But if you don't, please just say no, hold firm, stick to your guns, because they will try very hard to sell you everything in Colombia. Like, the only reason why I was able to skate by, because they sell beads out here. Like, a lot of people have the amazing colorful beads that they create, hand make. But the only reason why I was able to walk past, like, real smooth, like, is because I had on my shameless plug, Kathy Catrice Creations, around my neck and around my wrist. So they were actually asking me, where did I get mine from? And I was like, Chicago, baby. Nothing major, just Chicago, baby. Kathy Catrice, appreciate you, shawty. On another note, the food. Oh, the food has so much flavor. They had pizza, pasta, steak. Oh my God, arepas. Oh my God, the arepas, the arepas. So flavor. I mean, their flavors had flavors. The pizza had flavor. The tomato paste on the pizza had flavor. Oh, the arepas, the arepa. Oh my God, the burgers. Oh Lord Jesus. You can hear it in my voice. The food was immaculate. Oh my God. Now, I have to plug my homie Yoni. And if you're in the Caribbean, you can call him Joni. But Yoni Tours, my man's took care of us. He hooked us up with the transportation from the airport to the Airbnb, from the Airbnb to my hotel over here, from my hotel over here back to the airport. He hooked us up with the Chalon plus 4 other island tour. He is the hookup for everything you need in Colombia. He can hook you up with a guide. He can hook you up with transportation. He could plug you in with the actual excursions. Yoni is the man. He communicates through WhatsApp and he has that translator on his phone and he's quick with the responses. So if you're coming through Cartagena, Colombia, you definitely have to reach out to Yoni because he will take care of you. I'm gonna give you a minute. Yoni, I told you I got you, boy. All right. Last and but not least, get out and live. That's it. Whatever that may mean to you, get out and live. Because life is worth it. And it's here for the taking. Please like, subscribe, set those alerts, live in Los Bakers. We're here to stay. And we're here to show you what life can be if you decide to live it. Let's go. Yes, sir. We are at the InterContinental in Cartagena, Colombia. My bros, they just left. They're gone. We've turned up for 4 days. On the 5th day, he rested. It is Easter Sunday, and today will be a rest, recovery, and relaxation type of day. I'll be able to work out because I haven't worked out since them suckers been here dragging me all over Cartagena, Colombia without letting me get my workout in, my sweats in. Well, it's my fault. I didn't wake up when I was supposed to wake up to make sure I put in that work. That's on me. That's on me. Not on them, that's on me. But today will be that day. So we get to rest, we get to relax, we get to recover, we get to work out. We really get to take this trip in. I even have my laptop so I can get some editing done for you all. This trip was amazing. And yeah, let's get to this room tour. So this is the front door. We have the closet here with the safe, with the robe, the iron, the ironing board. Lots of space for you to put your clothes up. I'm only here for 24 hours, so I will not be putting any clothes up. We have overhead storage. We have a fully stocked area right here with the water, the coffee, the tea. We have a fully stocked mini bar area. That costs money though, so we won't touch that. But we could take some agua. The bathroom has a strobe light. I cannot wait to utilize this shower. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We have the sink area, the nice mirror. Oh, I didn't see this. What is this? Duh. Funny, I didn't even think about that. Let's see. The light is in here. Oh, the light is right here. All right, you have the privacy toilet. The privacy toilet. That's the bathroom. I like it. It's nice. I rocks with it. Let's go to the bed. Have the nice king size bed, full size mirror. We have the alarm clock, the light, the lamp. We got the nice flat screen, space for your luggage, drawers you can use for your dirty clothes. As you can see, a ton of space for you all. You even have the let-out couch right there. Another storage area with the lamp. Is this open? More drawers. I'm from Chicago, so we say drawers. And ocean view. Infinity pool view. So look, that water right there, it's not the same water that's at the Chalon Islands. You go about 40 minutes, 40 miles that way. It's beautiful. It's turquoise. It's amazing. There you have it. Let's get it.